Hi children, once again welcome back to Teaching and Learning channel. Today we are going to do another worksheet about addition sums. So in this addition sums, we are solving these addition equations without using pictures. Children, shall we start the addition? Yes, let us start. So look at the first sum. What are the two add-ons given here? Yes, you are right. 6 and 2. 6 and 2. Tell me children, in 6 and 2, which one is the bigger number? Yes, you're right. 6 is the bigger number. Then look at the smaller number. What is this number? The smaller number is 2. So, you draw two standing lines here. 1, 2. So, what is the next number? It is 2. So, we have drawn how many lines? 1, 2. Since the given number is 2, so we have drawn 2 lines. So, then look at the first number. What is the first number? It is 6. So to this number 6, we are adding a number 2. Then we have to count after 6, we have to count 2 numbers forward. So after 6, what is the next number? It is 7. After 7, it is 8. So after 6, 7, 8. If we add 2 numbers after 6, we get 8. 7, 8. So 6 plus 2 is how much? It is 8. 6 plus 2 is 8. Now look at the next sum. Children, what are the two add-ons given? Yes, they are 8 and 1. They are 8 and 1. So we are adding a number 1 to the number 8. We are adding a number 1 to the number 8. In 8 and 1, which one is the bigger number? Yes, you are right. 8 is the bigger number. So we have to look at the bigger number. Then what is the second number? It is 1. So how many standing lines we should draw? Only 1. Since the number is 1, so we have to draw only one line. Now you count one number to the number 8. So after 8, what is the next number? It is 9. So 8 plus 1 is 9. 8 plus 1 is 9. 8 plus 1 equals to 9. 8 plus 1 equals to 9. The sum of 8 and 1 is 9. Now look at the next sum. Children, what are the two add-ons given here? Yes, they are 4 and 3. They are 4 and 3. So we are adding a number 3 to the number 4. We are adding a number 3 to the number 4. So in 4 and 3, which one is the bigger number? Yes, you are right. 4 is the bigger number. Then look at the next number, smaller number. What is this number? It is 3. So how many standing lines we have to draw? 3. 1, 2, 3. So after 4, what are the next 3 numbers? After 4, we have to count 3 numbers forward. After 4, it is 5, 6, 7. After 4, what are the next 3 numbers? After 4, 5, 6, 7. So addition of 4 and 3 is how much? It is 7. 4 plus 3 equals to 7. 4 plus 3 equals to 7. The sum of 4 and 3 is 7. The sum of 4 and 3 is 7. Now look at the next sum. What are the two add-ons given here? Yes, they are 3 and 5. They are 3 and 5. Now tell me children, in 3 and 5, which one is the bigger number? Yes, you are right. 5 is the bigger number. Then look at the smaller number. What is this number? Yes, it is 3. So how many standing lines we should draw here? 3 lines. 1, 2, 3. So after 5, what are the next 3 numbers? So after 5 number, we have to count 3 numbers forward. After 5, which number comes? It is 6, 7, 8. After 5, what are the next 3 numbers? 6, 7, 8. So 3 plus 5 is how much? It is 8. 3 plus 5 is 8. Addition of 3 and 5 is 8. The sum of 3 and 5 is 8. 3 plus 5 equals to 8. 3 plus 5 equals to 8. Now look at the next sum. Children, what are the two add-ons here? They are 3 and 3. Both are same numbers. Yes, you are right. Both are same numbers only. So we can draw standing lines in any number. Okay, now we have to count 3 numbers forward after the number 3. So after 3, what are the next 3 numbers? 4, 5, 6. After 3, it is 4, 5, 6. So the addition of 3 and 3 is 6. So the addition of 3 and 3 is 6. 3 plus 3 equals to 6. 3 plus 3 equals to 6. The sum of 3 and 3 is 6. The sum of 3 and 3 is 6. Now look at the next sum. What are the two addends here? They are 6 and 3. They are 6 and 3. So in 6 and 3, which one is the bigger number? Yes, it is 6. Now look at the smaller number. What is this number? It is 3. So how many lines do we should draw here? Only 3 lines. Since the number is 3, so we have to draw 3 standing lines. After 6, what are the next 3 numbers? They are 7, 8, 9. After 6, the next 3 numbers are 7, 8, 9. So 6 plus 3 is how much? It is 9. So 6 plus 3 equals to 9. 6 plus 3 equals to 9. The sum of 6 and 3 is 9. The sum of 6 and 3 is 9. Very good. Now look at the next sum. And what are the two addends given here? Yes, they are 2 and 7. The two addends are 2 and 7. So we are adding a number 7 to the number 2. Now tell me children, in 2 and 7, which one is the bigger number? Yes, you are right. 7 is the bigger number. Now look at the smaller number. What is the smaller number here? Yes, it is 2. So how many standing lines we should draw here? Only 2. So we should draw only 2 lines. 2 standing lines. Now after 7, you count 2 numbers forward. So what are the next 2 numbers after 7? After 7, it is 8 and 9. So after 7, the 2 numbers are 8 and 9. So 2 plus 7 is how much? Yes, it is 9. 2 plus 7 equals to 9. 2 plus 7 equals to 9. Addition of 2 and 7 is 9. The sum of 2 and 7 is 9. Very good. Now look at the next sum. What are the 2 numbers which are going to be added, children? Yes, they are 8 and 2. They are 8 and 2. Tell me children, in 8 and 2, which one is the bigger number? Yes, you are right. 8 is the bigger number. Then look at the smaller number. What is the smaller number here? How many standing lines we should draw? Only 2. 1, 2. So after 8, we have to count 2 numbers forward. After 8, they are 9 and 10. After 8, what are the next 2 numbers will come? After 8, 9 and 10. So if we count 2 numbers forward to the number 8, which number comes? It is 10. So 8 plus 2 is how much? 8 plus 2 is 10. 8 plus 2 is 10. The sum of 8 and 2 is 10. The sum of 8 and 2 is 10. 8 plus 2 equals to 10. 8 plus 2 equals to 10. Very good. Now look at the next sum. What are the 2 addends given here? Yes, you are right. They are 5 and 1. They are 5 and 1. In 5 and 1, which one is the bigger number? Yes, you are right. 5 is the bigger number. Now look at the smaller number. What is the smaller number here? Only 1. It is only 1. So how many lines we should draw here? Only 1. We should draw only 1 standing line. Now you count after 5, you count 1 number forward. Then which number comes? If we count 1 number forward, then which number comes? After 5, 6 comes. After 5, 6 comes. So 5 plus 1 is 6. 5 plus 1 equals to 6. 5 plus 1 equals to 6. The sum of 5 and 1 is 6. The sum of 5 and 1 is 6. Very good. Now look at the next sum, children. What are the 2 addends here? They are 4 and 7. The 2 addends are 4 and 7. Now, in 4 and 7, which one is the bigger number? Yes, you are right. 7 is the bigger number. Now look at the smaller number. What is the smaller number here? Yes, it is 4. Then how many lines we should draw? We should draw 4 standing lines. 1, 2, 3, 4. 1, 2, 3, 4. After 7, we have to count 4 numbers forward. After 7, what are the next 4 numbers? 8, 9, 10, 11. So, the sum of 4 and 7 is how much? What is the answer here? Yes, it is 11. So, 4 plus 7 equals to 11. 4 plus 7 equals to 11. The sum of 4 and 7 is 11. The sum of 4 and 7 is 11. Now look at the next sum. What are the two addends given here? They are 5 and 6. 5 and 6. Now in 5 and 6, which one is the bigger number? Yes, 6 is the bigger number. Now look at the smaller number. What is the number here? It is 5. So how many standing lines we should draw here? Yes, 5 lines. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5. So after 6 we have to count 5 numbers forward. So what are the next 5 numbers after 6, children? After 6 they are 7, 8, 9, 10 and 11. So 5 plus 6 is how much? It is 11. What is the answer? It is 11. So 5 plus 6 equals to 11. 5 plus 6 equals to 11. The sum of 5 and 6 is 11. The sum of 5 and 6 is 11. Now look at the next sum. What are the two addends given here? They are 8 and 3. They are 8 and 3. In 8 and 3, what is the bigger number here? Yes, you are right. It is 8. Now look at the smaller number. What is the smaller number here? It is 3. It is 3. So how many lines we should draw here? Only 3. 1, 2, 3. So after 8, we have to count 3 numbers forward. What are the next 3 numbers after 8? After 8, 9, 10, 11. So addition of 8 and 3 is how much? What is the answer here? 8 plus 3 equals to 11. 8 plus 3 equals to 11. The sum of 8 and 3 is 11. The sum of 8 and 3 is 11. Now look at the next sum, children. What are the two addends here? Yes, the two addends are 6 and 7. Here the smaller number is 6. So how many lines we should draw here? 6 lines. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6. So the smaller number is 6. So we have drawn 6 lines. Now after 7 we have to count 6 numbers forward. So after 7 what are the next 6 numbers? After 7, 8, 9, 10, 11, 12 and 13. After 7 what are the next 6 numbers? 8, 9, 10, 11, 12 and 13. So what is the answer here? It is 13. So 6 plus 7 is how much? It is 13. 6 plus 7 equals to 13. The sum of 6 and 7 is 13. Now in the next sum, what are the two addends here? Yes, they are 5 and 8. Now look at the smaller number. What is the smaller number here? Yes, it is 5. It is 5. So how many lines we should draw here? 5 lines. 1, 2, 3, 4 and 5. Since the number is 5, so we should draw only 5 lines. Now we have to count after 8 5 numbers forward. How many numbers we should count after 8? We have to count 5 numbers after 8. So what are the next 5 numbers after 8? After 8, 9, 10, 11, 12, 13. After 8, 9, 10, 11, 12, 13. So what is the answer here? It is 13. So 5 plus 8 is 13. The sum of 5 and 8 is 13. Now look at the next sum. What are the two addends here? Yes, they are 9 and 4. In 9 and 4, which one is the bigger number? Yes, 9 is the bigger number. Now look at the smaller number. What is the smaller number here? Yes, it is 4. Now how many lines we should draw? Only 4. 1, 2, 3, 4. So after 9, you count 4 numbers forward. So what are the next 4 numbers after 9? After 9, 10, 11, 12 and 13. After 9, 10, 11, 12 and 13. So what is the answer here? It is 13. So 9 plus 4 is how much? It is 13. 9 plus 4 equals to 13. 9 plus 4 equals to 13. Have you understood, children, how to solve the vertical addition sums without using pictures? Then we meet in the next video with another concept. Until then, please keep watching my channel. Hope you all like this video. Thanks for watching this video. Please subscribe to my channel and click the bell icon for the latest updates. Kindly give your valuable likes, comments and shares. Thank you all.